associated with. There was a whale of a match that took place in Memphis, Tennessee between Buddy Landell and Flame, and I will let the pictures speak for J.D. Costello and Fire and Flame, the type of folks. Take a look at this one with Landell. Off the second rope, misses it. Boy, Landell has got to be glad he moved out from under that one, and look at Buddy coming back. Big pop kick, nice. Over the top, and down, both of them go. Partner Fire slipped into the ring, while the referee was distracted by J.D. Costello. Down into a small package, he got him! 10. 5 minutes and 8 seconds. Buddy Landell is the winner! Landell caught full face with that Fire. And now both Fire and Flame. After Landell, the referee goes down, and he starts pounding on Landell. Landell, the official winner. Here comes Austin Idol. The Idol coming in to help Landell out. Well, I hope that makes you guys proud of what you did to Buddy Landell.
You know, Buddy Landell, I feel so sorry for him. He comes out here week after week. He gives you his profile. He tells you how pretty he is, how handsome he is, how all the girls flock after him. Well, they aren't flocking after him anymore because Fire and Flame have effectively burned his face. You know, he looks like he's been in some type of nuclear attack. He's got meltdown. We're talking serious meltdown all over his face. You know, Buddy Landell, your days are numbered. In fact, is he here today? Have you seen him? No, you haven't. You know where Buddy Landell is? He's in the Houston Burn Center for has-been wrestlers. He's gone. And a word of warning to a lot of wrestlers, to all the geeks in the other dressing room, to Dutch Mantell, to Austin Idol, your days are numbered. And a word of warning to the most important man of all, Jerry Lawler, you're finished. When it's said and done, all we're going to have is a huge stock of wrestlers belonging to J.D. Costello's dynasty. And that's all I've got to say about it. It's said and done.
Okay, well, I can tell you, you have nothing to be proud of in what you did. Situation that absolutely was inexcusable. And the more we see of you guys, the sicker we get. Coming to the ring right now, the Mod Squad, joined by Fire and Flame.